why they are here. I start by thanking the visiting delegation and welcome them to Sierra Leone and to wish them a fruitful visit. Sierra Leone is seized of the matter as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council and has expressed concerns in the context of the Security Council press statement of 25th April 2025 regarding the attack that took place in Jammu and Kashmir on 22nd April 2025, resulting in the loss of at least 26 lives and numerous injuries. We have also conveyed on behalf of the government and the people of Sierra Leone sincere condolences to the families of the victims, as well as to the government and people of India, and to wish a full recovery to all those injured. We emphasize the importance of ensuring accountability for those responsible in accordance with international law and relevant Security Council resolutions. Sierra Leone continues to urge the escalation of tensions and to promote peace and stability in the region, and to underscore the importance of resolving the situation in Jammu and Kashmir through peaceful and diplomatic means. On 29th April 2025, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation had a fruitful telephone conversation with his Indian counterpart, Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, following the terror attacks on Pahalgam, in which 20 civilians were killed on 26 civilians were killed on 22nd April 2025. In conclusion, Sierra Leone, through the UN Security Council mechanisms, underlines the importance of sincere and constructive political dialogue with the support of the international community in order to reduce risk of malcalculation and to help maintain peace and security between two neighboring states. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
You may now proceed.